Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 21st Feb. While I shuffle the cards, please note the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. But for me, the top row is always for the sign that I do the video for. Now, while I'm shuffling the cards, please also note tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's quickly begin and see what we have for you this week. Now, what I see for you here is you have the 7 of Wands, the 9 of Pentacles, and the 3 of Pentacles. Your person has the Judgment card, the Page of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I have Death. So, either this relationship is about to go through some transformation, or either one of you is going to have a transformation so that you can go ahead and build this particular relationship or change the circumstances that might be there in this particular relationship. Now, what we see for you this week is you have the 7 of Wands with the 9 of Pentacles. So 7 of Wands is you are going through a lot of stress. There is something that is definitely causing you a lot of stress. Now, the stress could also be because you are single, okay? The 9 of Pentacles energy is somebody who is single. Now, to the outside world, it might look like that you are single, independent, and everything is in place. But maybe internally, okay, that is also something that causes you a little bit of worry, because at the end of the day, each one of us wants somebody, you know, that you can love and you have that connection with. So there could be that reason that you find that though you are doing very well for yourself, but you find that that causes a little bit of stress to you at the end of the day. Now, there could also be a scenario here, Aries, that there is something that is going on in this relationship which is causing you a lot of stress, and you would want to get out of that stress and be in the single energy, okay? That's what you are thinking of. Now, the 3 of Pentacles is when you have to collaborate and work as a team, okay? So, you will have to go ahead and work with your partner in order to go ahead and build on this particular relationship. Your partner has the Judgment card, the Page of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Now, this person has got a judgment call. They understand that they cannot go ahead and, you know, play around with this particular situation. And yes, there is something they definitely want to have a conversation about, because we have the the Page of Swords with you. So, the Page of Swords that this person has, they want to talk about something, but that conversation is not very planned. It's kind of a naive energy that I see. Once that conversation is done, you will find that this person will take steps towards you, but that is again very slow. So the Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy, but that's a very stable energy. So if you have patience, which is quite unlike Aries, then I would say this is a perfect match for you. It's just that you need to clear the air with this person. If there's something that is stressing you out and there's something that this person wants to talk about, have that conversation and then you can proceed, but take slow steps, okay? Now let's quickly take one card to understand what is the intention of this person. Spirit, can I have one card here to understand the intention of this person? Can I have one card here, please? Can I have one card to understand what is the intention of this person this week? So let's take one card. Okay, so I have the Knight of Cups, okay? Now, if you see, you have the Knight of Pentacles, and the intention of the person is the Knight of Cups with a very positive energy, okay? Knight of Cups is somebody who has a lot of love and emotion for you, so that's a really good intention. Now, let's go ahead and clarify this intention. Spirit, help me with one more card here. Help me with one more card to understand why we have the Knight of Cups as this person's intention this week. Okay, now the next thing is the 6 of Wands, because they want victory in this situation. They want to go ahead and have victory with you. They want to build on this relationship. Now that's a very positive sign that I see here, Aries. That's really nice, okay? Let's take one more card here. That the second thing that I see is this person, okay, they are currently in this mode where they are trying to think, okay, whether they should go about and have that conversation or should they not. So they're kind of in a dilemma right now, okay? Now, for very few of you, and again, this is just for a small section, there could be something that they are trying to balance out, okay? Could be a situation that they are trying to balance out along with this relationship, and that is something that is causing a little bit of stress to them also, and they want to talk about it. But at the end of the day, this person has a lot of love for you and they want victory. So that's the most important thing for you for this particular week. So be a little patient with them. Okay, now let's quickly take one card here to see what is the message from archangels for you. So let's quickly take one card here. Let's take one card which will also have a crystal message, and it will guide you to understand what you can go ahead and do. I'm really sorry, my cards are just moving here and there today. Let's quickly take one card to understand what message we have from archangels for you this week. Okay, the crystal that I see for you is malachite. Okay, and the message from archangel is from Archangel Raphael. So the message from the archangel I'll put in the description box, you can read from there. The crystal message is: what patterns in your life do you keep repeating? Walk in the inner self and find your higher spiritual purpose for your challenges and lessons. Discover and release the patterns that no longer serve you. Look at the emerging patterns of joy, harmony, and inner peace. Move forward in your evolutionary spiral upward. So what it definitely says is, do a little bit of self-reflection. If there is something that you keep repeating, okay, then learn from your past, and I'm sure you can go ahead and change your future, and it can be a much brighter one. So that's the message that I have for you in this particular video. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can go ahead and get a notification when I upload the next video. And till the next one, stay safe and love yourself first.